Listen. It's technical, but is it memorable? Not at all. It's good for practice, but not for performance. It's clean, but lifeless. This is what most guitar players sounds like. If you want to be unforgettable, you need to stand out to be different. If you want people to stop and say, damn, that's you playing the guitar, then you have to separate yourself. I'll tell you how to make your playing so yours, that you stop sounding like just another guitarist and start sounding like an artist. Now listen to this, same notes but different approach. Really different approach than before. Not repetitive, it's more human. It's not just playing correctly, but playing with intention. When you make more variations, you bend, you slide, you vibrate. It's like speaking. It's like telling people, it's me playing guitar. And that's the difference between guitarist and an artist. Guitarists play notes. Artists make people feel the notes. Imagine you're in a bar and in a jam session, two guitar players come up, one shreds like the other one you can imagine the difference between these two guitarists, and you can also assume who do people remember most, who do they respect, who do they talk about later. It's not the guy who know all the scales, but the second guy who play just few notes but with taste, and that could be you. So how to make people feel your playing? It sounds simple, it's mindset shift, but it's so powerful. So you need to be more introspective about how you play. That way you will be able to assess your playing, to play with more intention. So I challenge you to practice without any backing track, but just play less notes. Only 4 notes, but make these notes speak expressive. Record and assess. Be more introspective with your own playing. Listen more, assess and take action. Decide what will you do to make those notes expressive, more tasteful. So it starts here, not here. Okay? Anybody can learn scales. Anybody can play fast. But not everybody can make people feel. That's rare. That's when you will get noticed, respected, and remembered. So try the challenge and be consistent with that, because to shift your mindset is not an easy thing to do, but needs consistency and practice. So try it yourself.